Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here, and today in this video we have got all the latest update for main stimulus check update, stimulus package that you're looking for. And well, the main relief plan offers a direct payments of up to $850 to the individuals and $1,700 for the joint filers. So what is this main direct relief payment plan? We have got the eligibility and when this payment will be issued and how you will receive these payments. And if you haven't received it yet, what can you do? And well, there is still time you can get these payments. And is there any additional help coming for Maine residents? So guys, today in this video we have got all the latest update for the Maine stimulus check. Who is eligible for the payment? When can you expect your payment? How the payments will go out? We have got all the updates on Maine stimulus check update. So before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't it already. Turn on that bell notification so you'll never miss our latest stimulus check update, and make sure to hit that like button. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. And well, according to the latest information we got from the sources, in an attempt to help the Maine residents, this is to deal with high inflation cost, some of the Maine residents are getting $850 stimulus payment to qualified taxpayers. And as the housing, food and energy cost and the cost of basic necessities has been increased, therefore this stimulus check will be a big help and a great relief for the low income households struggling to cover the higher cost, as said by Sarah Austin, director of the policy and research at the Maine Center of Economic Policy. Though the 17 other states have passed, that is the stimulus relief plans, this time Maine offers one of the highest payouts for its residents. This emergency legislation, accompanied by handful of other financial relief measures in the state's supplemental budget for the fiscal year 2022 and 2023. And this one is estimated to impact 858,000 Maine residents. And well, this one is a really significant stimulus check. So first of all, we will check out what is this Maine direct relief payments. And through this Maine direct relief payment program, individuals can receive the payments up to $850, and while joint filers can get $1,700. And these payments are meant to help the residents to cover their necessities, basic necessities like groceries, gas, utilities, and according to the governor's office, there is no strings attached. Residents can use the money for any purpose they choose for. As per the governor's announcement, Maine residents must meet following requirements to qualify for this relief payments. So we will discuss all the eligibility criteria. So speaking of the first criteria, first thing first, you need to file a Maine individual income tax returns as a full-time resident by the October 31st, 2022. So there is still a month remaining to file your income tax returns. So if you still haven't filed your tax returns, you can go ahead and file that. Second one, it can't be claimed as a dependent on another resident's tax return. That means dependents are not allowed to get this stimulus payments. Speaking of the third criteria, you need to have a federal adjusted gross income of less than these three levels for certain group of peoples. So first, for a single or married couples filing separately, so if you are filing your income tax returns separately, you can have the federal adjusted gross income less than $100,000. Also, if you are filing as a heads of household, then you can have adjusted gross income of $150,000. And for the couples filing jointly, they can have the adjusted gross income less than $200,000. So all these three groups of people, if they meet this criteria of certain federal adjusted gross income less than these values right over here, also dependent cannot claim this benefit, and you need to file your income tax return by October 31st, 2022. Well, if you fulfill all those requirements, you are eligible to receive this Maine stimulus check payments. And well, speaking of the when and how will the payments will be issued, and well, the Maine Department of Administrative and Financial Services have already begun issuing the first round of payments on the June 1st, 2022, and the payments are going via the USPS service, that is US Postal Service. And the Governor Mills said that initial delivery would include 5,000 stimulus checks and as many as 200,000 checks would be sent each week thereafter. So through the June, they are already sending out the first round of payments. That means June, July, August, and this September. Hopefully, many people have already got the first round of payments. As per July 18 reports, 91% of the Maine residents eligible for this one, well, their check has been already sent, and the remaining checks will be issued through the end of this year as the tax returns are being processed according to the statement from the DAFS. While you can visit maine.gov and provide some information including your social security number to check your Maine stimulus check status. And well, speaking of, if you haven't yet received your payments, what can you do? Well, Maine is already in the process of issuing the payments, so your check maybe already is on the way. But while residents who haven't yet received their payments, also they are unable to track their check, they may need to take following steps. First thing first, if you haven't filed your state income taxes, there is still time, and first you need to file your 2021 income taxes. If you still haven't yet filed your taxes, you'll not get these payments, so make sure you file this one before the October 31st, 2022 to receive a direct payment. And those who don't regularly file, including individuals who receive Social Security income, that is SSI, they must file a form 1040ME and complete appropriate sections of Schedule PTFC or STFC by October 31st to receive their check. And economic policy experts points out that the lower income families often miss out on the stimulus payment, child tax credit, and other tax benefits since they are less likely to file tax returns. State has taken some measures to overcome this, and this one including funding for a pre-tax prep site, and as he says, free help with tax preparation can be accessed through the cashmaine.org or 211maine.org or by simply calling 211. And a Maine resident who is typically a non-filer for the purpose of claiming the $850 can follow the same process to claim the property tax and sales tax fairness credits. And for those people, it doesn't require them to file a federal return. Also, the second most important thing that you can do is you update your address, and this is because the payments will be mailed out to your address provided on your 2021 Maine individual income tax returns and will be redirected to forwarding addresses recorded with the USPS. In order to update your address, you need to submit a proof of your new address along with the identifying information such as your social security number, that is SSN. You can find all the details on maine.gov how you can update your address. And if you believe your stimulus check has been lost or stolen, you can contact the Maine Revenue Service at 207-624-9924. And well, in addition, is there any additional help coming for Maine residents? After last year's $285 payments from the disaster relief program, Maine residents might be wondering if state-sponsored payments will become a recurring benefit. And well, according to the policy analyst Austin, Mainers have no reason to expect another payouts like this one. Stimulus check is a response to economic conditions, as we can totally see that, and Maine has a budget rules like nearly every other state that requires our budgets to be balanced. As she says, more than a half of the state budget surplus is going towards the new stimulus plan, and the new supplemental budget also includes significant one-time initiatives, things including gradual increase in the annual deduction from the current limit of $10,000 to up to $35,000 in 2024, also a possible increase in Maine property tax fairness credit, and this will give an estimated $1,000 per year in refundable tax credit to the homeowners and up to $1,500 a year to senior homeowners. Also 2 years of pre-community college pandemic impacts for students and up to $2,500 per year or $25,000 per lifetime in refundable tax credit benefits for student loan debt relief. And she also said that Maine has also permanently doubled its earned income tax credit. Also, this will have an average benefit for the families that is $400 per year and will help out 100,000 households in the state. And this benefit will be helpful for low income families, and they should expect this one in the future as long as they file the income tax taxes in the state. So there it is guys, up to $850 for individuals and $1,700 for joint filers. Maine residents are getting direct relief payments if they have the adjusted gross income in these 3 tiers, and if they file the tax returns by October 31st, 2022. Also, if they are not a dependent on another resident tax return, well, then they are eligible for this stimulus checks. So there it is guys, Maine residents are getting the stimulus checks. So I hope this video was helpful, so make sure to hit that like, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel for more of this latest stimulus check update, turn on that bell notification so you'll never miss our latest videos. And with that being said, this is Kedar from How to Guys signing out.